Ever felt trapped in a web of forgotten subscriptions silently draining your bank account? You're not alone. In today's digital age, with free trials galore and recurring payments lurking in the shadows, it's easy to lose track of where your hard-earned money goes. Maybe you signed up for that music streaming service for a workout playlist, but now you only listen to podcasts. Perhaps that meal kit delivery seemed like a good idea at the time, but reality set in, and hello instant ramen. These seemingly small, forgotten subscriptions can add up to a significant chunk of change over time. That's where services like Rocket Money come in. They promise to be your financial hero, swooping in to manage your bills, track your spending, and even help you cancel those pesky subscriptions. But the big question is Rocket Money itself easy to cancel if you decide it's not the right fit for you? Because let's face it, getting signed up for something is a breeze. Companies make it a smooth, frictionless experience. But canceling? That's a whole different story. We've all been there, navigating endless menus, wading through FAQs, and spending an eternity on hold with customer service just to ditch a service we no longer need. So, if you're considering Rocket Money, you probably want to know, is escaping its clutches as easy as signing up? Here's the good news. Based on user reviews and the information available on Rocket Money's website, canceling your subscription seems to be a fairly straightforward process. You can do it directly through their app, which is convenient. There are clear instructions available online that walk you through the steps. Here's a quick rundown. Launch the Rocket Money app on your phone. Navigate to the Settings section. This is usually indicated by a gear icon. Look for a section labeled Premium Membership or something similar. Within that section, you should find an option to manage membership or cancel subscription. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your cancellation. Sounds simple enough, right? But remember, online reviews can be a mixed bag. While some users report a smooth cancellation experience with Rocket Money, others might have encountered issues. There's always a chance you might hit a snag. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Free trial. If you're taking Rocket Money for a spin with a free trial, be mindful of the end date. Make sure to cancel before the trial period expires to avoid getting charged. Customer service. In case you run into any problems canceling through the app, Rocket Money does offer customer service support. They have a phone number and online chat options available. The bottom line. Based on what we've found, canceling Rocket Money appears to be a user-friendly process. However, it's always a good idea to be prepared for any potential roadblocks. The bigger takeaway? Take control of your finances. Don't let subscriptions silently sap your bank account. Use Rocket Money or any similar service with caution and set calendar reminders to review your subscriptions regularly. Remember, canceling should ideally be just as easy as signing up. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.